Hi everyone. I want to show you an easy way how to marbling your shrimp paper with ink. A lot of us find that was difficult to handling when we have a big massive of water. How to dispose the water, how to pour the water. I'm going to show you all you need. Is very simple. A pitcher with our tap water and a bowl or bucket to dispose your water, and ink, which not any ink would work. I find that all the ink from China is too heavy, and our best bottle ink or ink that is from Japan, it seems work every time. And how do we use the ink in the water? It's also, I will show you a couple of different ways. And I have a little plate, or you can have a tray that you don't need a lot of water, just enough to cover the bottom. And then you can either use an ink, has a dispensable dropper, or with a dropper to take your ink in. Today I'm going to show you how I do it with a mixing brush. We have an OAS, a very inexpensive mixing brush. So I pour a little bit ink into a little plate. And then I use the mixing brush, pick up a little ink, and then put in my water. You can pour the ink and you can see why I said the ink is very important. This ink does not sink to the bottom. Then I use a shrimp paper. Our practice shrimp and double shrimp and J plate all works. And then I pour it over on the top, and then you can see it's picking up the marbling. And then I lift it up gently. And then voila, I have marble. And then I can continue to use what is in the plate again to do the second piece. This one is very light, and then it's good for you to paint afterwards.